Hey everyone, it's Matt from Cruises, Rooms, and Reviews, and welcome to the beautiful island of Coco Cay that you can see right behind me. Today, we are continuing our series of stern to bow videos, where we are finding out how long it takes to walk from the stern or the rear of a ship all the way to the bow or the front. We are going to do this on Freedom of the Seas today from the Freedom class of ships. A very large class of ship. Of course, not Oasis or even Anthem that we did on our last one. Link up above. Still a large ship, so let's find out how long it takes to make that journey. We're starting on deck 12, and we're gonna have to make our way to deck 13, up one small staircase, but that's just part of the journey. Let's check it out. All right, we're gonna start off just checking out this wonderful view of Coco Cay. It's a beautiful day here in February, nice and warm, partly cloudy, partly sunny. So I think that's a great recipe for a great day on Coco Cay. But we are here back on the ship, again on deck 12 of Freedom of the Seas. We are at the very stern of the ship. Actually, sorry, right over here is the stern of the ship. And we are gonna get going. So if I get my iPhone out and the timer, we are gonna kick it off. Now, one thing to note before we get going, there is a little maintenance going on, so I'm gonna have to take a little cut through the adventure, ocean, and arcade area, but you know, that's okay. That's part of the journey today. So let's get going. And we are off. There's Independence of the Seas right next to us, a sister ship to Freedom in the Freedom class. And there are some steps that take you up to where the flow rider and the sports deck, the water slides, and the rock climbing walls up on deck 13 there. So lots of stuff you can check out up there. Here's Social 33. This is the outdoor patio area that's reserved for teenagers, so they have their own space to hang out in. And there's also an indoor area for them. Here is Johnny Rockets. I love Johnny Rockets on these ships. It's an actual sit-down service, not a Johnny Rockets Express. So you have the indoor kind of diner, 50s diner style area. But I really like the outdoor seating that you can take advantage of and see all those views. So here's where that maintenance is, and it's actually roped off. So we're gonna cut inside. So this is the hallway to Adventure Ocean, the arcade, general play use area for small children. And this is the entrance area to Adventure Ocean. So we'll actually cut to the left here and hopefully past that maintenance that was on the other side. Some more maintenance going on here, but that's not going to impede our way. So one of the great things for kids on the Freedom class of the ships is they have a very large splash-away bay area that was refurbished when the ship was amplified. Now we're making our way to the main pool deck area. These great gazebos that can be rented out. So down here you have two main pools, 3 whirlpools, and of course the lime and coconut, which was the new bar concept introduced during the amplification, which we really enjoy. Do have a upstairs lime and coconut also with a 3rd floor deck above that to take your drinks up to and relax. Great time in the evening to check out the stars. Some great loungers down here also. Now here you're gonna be able to see down into the solarium, the adult 16 and above area. Now we're gonna head up to that 13th deck that I talked about earlier in order to make our way all the way to the front on this level. Another view into the solarium. Now up here, you mostly have lots of lounge chairs. So if you can't find a chair by the pool, which can be difficult, this is a great place to go find that space. Here we have this very odd shower type thingy. You press the button and it's just a rainfall of water. Don't really see them get used all that much, but interesting concept. And then we have the Freedom Dunes golf course, and we'll just walk right through the middle since no one is playing, so we can take the most direct route. But Ryan's a huge activity. We have a few videos that show the golf courses on different ships. One step down here, and here we are, and boom. 4 minutes, 56 seconds, and 0.36 seconds to get from the stern or the bow all the way back. So that was a wee bit longer than our last one. I think we were high 3-minute area when we did Anthem of the Seas. But Anthem, you got a little bit cut off because the top deck doesn't really go all the way to the front. And this ship, we had to take a little twists and turns. We had a diversion through that area that was maintenance, so we had to go inside for a little bit. And then we also had to go up to deck 13, so a little bit of time on those stairs. But generally, you know, that's gonna be how long it takes you to walk all the way from the stern to the bow. Hope you enjoyed this. I enjoyed doing it and checking out the sights along the way. If you did, please hit that like button, and also check out the rest of the Cruises, Rooms, and Reviews channel. Lots of content to check out and enjoy. This is Matt from Cruises, Rooms, and Reviews. Happy cruising, everybody.